let's make a jerk turkey. So right now I have a dry jerk rub that I'm rubbing all over the turkey. I'm doing it to the front, the back, and also on the inside cavity of the turkey. Now I have some melted butter. I'm just going to spread that all over the turkey, same areas, and then I'm going to put my jerk marinade all over this turkey. I'm going to generously put this because I am going to refrigerate this for 2 days. Once this is all rubbed all over, I'm going to cover this with a plastic wrap and I'm going to place it in the refrigerator. So once I take this out of the refrigerator after the 2 days, I'm going to lift. Right now I'm just lifting the skin off of the breast part of the turkey. This is the breast part. I'm just lifting it so that I can stick some butter in there. So you want to just gently do this. You don't want to damage the skin, so take your time and just lift that skin. So now I have some butter and I put some fresh thyme in the butter, and I also put some of the dry rub into the butter. So now I'm going to take that butter and stick it into the skin that I just lifted, under the skin, in fact. So I'm just going to work that all the way down. You want to work it as far as you can. Just keep pushing it down, spreading it out, because this helps to keep the turkey moist. Once this is all done, I transferred it to my roasting pan, and I'm going to generously put some more jerk marinade all over the turkey. So now I'm going to get out my handy dandy thermometer. I have a thermometer here that I purchased from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description so that you can check it out if you're interested in purchasing this thermometer. Now this thermometer is really cool because first you stick the probe of the thermometer into the thickest part of the turkey, and this part stays outside so that you can monitor the temperature and that you can time how long the turkey is cooking. So this is the thermometer here, and we have the temperature where you can set the temperature to whatever you want. So you want to cook this turkey to 165 degrees, so I'm going to put this up to 165, and this is going to beep once it gets to that 165 degrees. So you see it's at 77 right there. It's going to go up when the internal temperature of the turkey goes to 165. You can also set the timer on this. So I set it for 3 hours just to see how long this is going to bake. There's also a built-in thermometer in the turkey that comes with the turkey. So once that pop out, I always like to use this thermometer as a second reading to ensure that the turkey is cooked all the way. So I stuck it on the thickest part of the turkey, and we are all set. So let's see how this is going to work. So this has this is magnetic, so you can stick it on your stove. You see what I did here, and I set it at the 165 for the 3 hours, and it will beep. You see it started beeping. It's at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and it cooked for the 3 hours, and this is my finished turkey.